Hey, I'm back. I told you I was gonna bring some cooking, and I'm bringing it. So today's meal is gonna be northern beans with smoked turkey butt and cornbread and fried chicken and some candied yams. So, remember I told you, when I get my camera situation together, my video's gonna improve. So this is what we got right here. Now this is fresh garlic that I minced myself, right? Onions, celery, smoked turkey, and northern beans. Okay? You see that? You see that? All right. Hello. So now that I soaked my beans, and then I washed them several times because beans is picked from a bushel in the ground, so little rocks and dirt is in it. So you have to soak and wash them beans at least 4 or 5 times and make sure you pick through and get out any bean, like just a shell, not a whole bean, stuff like that. So here we go. Now I love to be the spice fairy, right? Okay then. Now I'm gonna start adding my spices. I'm gonna line them up for you and let you see what I'm doing and what you need to do to make you a good pot of northern beans with smoked turkey butt. And then I do a separate video because I'm going to air fry my chicken because I don't want all that grease and oil. Remember, I'm watching my waistline. So ain't going to be no much frying up in the grease. It's baking and broiling, situation or whatever. So how y'all doing though out there? Because I'm doing just fine. Yesterday I had to do me some cleaning, so I didn't get to my video. Sorry. I missed y'all. Shoot, I got up outside. I can't sleep because I don't smell nothing cooking. So hold on 1 second. Hope this thing it's gonna do it. I need to not be hoping that when I have a car. I hate that when, that happens, but it's okay. I can handle that too. How about that? And then this ring light trying to do what it want to do or whatever. Hold on. I need y'all to hold on just a second. Oh gosh, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. Okay, well follow me, cause I gotta get my ring. Like, okay, here we go. Going in my office where I make my videos, cause I prepared this just for that. Got my ring so it can hold the camera while I show you what spices gonna go into my pot. And thank you for bearing with me. That's very important to myself because I want you guys to get, don't have to go through stress and strain to see what I'm doing. Now, okay. So, I got some red pepper flakes. I'm going to put that in the pot. Oh, you could use it depends on your spice level. Because I'm going to put a tablespoon of it in mine. Right? Then I'm going to, of course, do my adobo. Boop. Tablespoon, okay? And then I'll drop one of my seasons. You know, things happen in the kitchen when you really cooking. And then I got my paprika, ground paprika. That's like a little bit less than a tablespoon, you know, because that's there for coloring mostly. And then, oh, I'm sorry. And I got some basil leaf. That's a half of a teaspoon of basil. You don't want to go too heavy with the basil, because if I had to use whole basil leaf, you would have had to, you know, once it get cooking, take it out. Then so I got my seasoned salt. That's a tablespoon, maybe and a half. You know, because, you know, the beans got to cook for a spell. And then I got my whole black pepper. I'm going to ground in there. Turn it good, you know, and remember that you got the chili flakes, but you need that cracked pepper because it give your food a lift, you know, versus that grounded up pepper, you know, in the can, in the spice jar or whatever. Okay, then I'm going to have me a half a tablespoon of this lemon pepper. B said get that. I said, oh, okay, because I don't mind getting it, but I'm finna find a way to use it, you know, like in everyday cooking. And it really make your meat off the chain. It just depends on what you cooking. And I also put my salt vinegar in here. Just about a half a tablespoon. You know, because you need a little of that twang. You know, a little swang in the dish now. Quit playing now. And so, and then garlic powder. And then onion powder. That's what I was looking. I was like, you ain't got something. Oh, but I got plenty. What it is my spice cabinet is so filled with spices, because I love flavor in my pot. Like, if you gonna cook me some, listen, don't come over here like I'm in the hospital or something. You know, now, if I was sick or something, I would understand. And I put 2 packs of this chicken bouillon in there. I'm finna put that in there now. Right? Okay. I ain't forget that onion powder, baby. The Spice Fairy ain't gonna be missing much. Yes, I had to open a new jar. This is a garlic one. Hold on. What am I? Now that's strange. We gonna get this strangeness. It's no problem. Because, you know, those are my little jars. But I had 2. I'm positive of that. But that's still all right. Because I'm the Spice Fairy. I don't play no game when it comes to my spices. Right? But, you know, people spend their money on what they want, right? And I be wanting the spices. Because I don't want to eat no bland food. Even when I be sick in the hospital or something. Well, the doctor said your you can't have, you on a low sodium. That's what they would say. And I be mad, 'cause I won't eat what I want to eat. But I guess the doctors feel like they know best, I guess. See, 'cause I'm going to come with it. Oh, yeah, baby. If it ain't in the small jar, trust, I got it in the big jar. All right, now I got my onion powder in there. And I cut up half of a red onion and a whole big yellow onion. You know, remember this gonna be cooking for a while, so you know you got to come on with the flavor. And wait, let me get this packet of bouillon, you know, 'cause that's good for the broth of the bean. And I'm gonna put a little okra off in here too. That's good for you. Good for you. Iron and everything. Yeah. Okay, give me a second. I ain't gonna leave you, I promise. I'm gonna get right back over here to you. I told you I ain't gonna leave. Now look at here. Look, I'm gonna take the ring too, so I don't have no trouble with the dip. Oh, don't dip too good. Okay, now and stir that into the pot. Stir it on all that beautiful flavor. Look at that. Tell me that ain't look at that. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Look. There goes one of the smoked turkey bottoms. Since you don't want to hear it's a turkey butt. But, yeah, you get my drift. And so let that go to cooking down. You know, so the flavor can marry up in there. And then, you know, 'cause once your pot come to a decent boil, that's when you drop down the temperature and let it, you know, simmer its way the rest of the way done. 'Cause if you cook these beans on high, everything gonna be tough and chewy. You can't do that, see. All right, now I'm gonna put my spices back nice up in here. And I managed not to get too much on my hands. So I just grab them with my fingers. And once I get through cooking this, I could get my spice down and wipe them off. 'Cause I don't like that, you know. You go to grab some spice and the jar feel like, you know, the crumbs from the spices, 'cause your hands got spice. So, and I like to get my beans going like maybe 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, now I'm gonna drop that fire down just a smidget, you know. You don't turn it down too low, but you sure can't have it going that high. Right, now I done stirred that, and that seems to be just fine. And that, you know, that smoked meat is releasing its oils, 'cause, you know, the turkey bottom is fatty. So it substitute well and give it a little smoky flavor, 'cause it's smoked. And then you won't have to put that fine swine up in your pot. So that makes it a little bit more healthier, I think, you know, myself. I like to rinse everything out before it's clean. I just like to rinse my top off and that's how you start some northern beans. And so what I'm going to do is come back with another video so I can show you how to make some air fried chicken. And it's going to be good. Well, y'all can stay with me now for a minute, because all I'm finna do, because it's like, what, almost 4 o'clock in the morning, and I love to get my coffee kettling, you know, because I don't know if it's the smell. You tell me, comment and put something in the comment box. If you, first off, drink tea or coffee, but I'm being more specific with coffee, because when I smell that pot, because you know I barely drink a whole cup, but I don't know if I'm addicted to smelling it, and it make me feel like I'm more awake or whatever. But whatever the case is, I sure love it. I really do. So, and if you have any questions, right, about the northern bean, because like I told you, it's stages that you add, you know, your other things. Like for myself, frozen, fresh okra that I cut and bagged up, it's gonna go in that pot. And baby, I ain't gonna need no silverware today, because I'm gonna have my spoon. S-P-O-O-N. See? A spoon. I love that. I love that. Because it's something about eating with your fingers that make the food, well, for me, it make the food taste different. Because when I stick that metal over in the food, I could tell the difference, you know, versus I'm eating with my fingers or with that spoon. That's the Holy Spirit truth. And I never really paid it the attention till I started eating with the Africans. And I said, oh, okay, well, teach me this, because I want to know. So when I get ready to air fry this chicken, I'll let you see me put the okra in my pot, and I'll let you see what, you know, the tenderness, because once the beans is almost finished, because you don't want to cook the okra completely away. You still want to see some in the pot. So I'm going to make sure that you can see that. Because right now, my only concern is getting this coffee pot going. So let me take you to the coffee pot. Because I don't want to leave. I hate to leave. I do. I be like, oh, I can't take the, bring this thing like that. But that too is coming to an end soon enough. And I'm thankful that, you know, y'all is bearing with me. And I hope everything is going more than okay. I hope that you having a blessed day. I hope you get up with praises in your mouth for the Most High Yah. You know, maybe sometimes, you know, because that's what I do. Like when my feet hit the floor, I want to tell the Father, thank you. You know, great awakening. It's great to wake up to see another day. Somebody didn't live to see today. And somebody ain't going to make it through the rest of the day. He said, let everything with breath praise him. If you don't, the rocks will cry out Baby, them rocks will never get a tear if it's left up to me, because I'm going to praise him. I thank the Father that I got some food to cook. Somebody ain't got nothing to eat as we speak. Somebody went to bed hungry, and I just pray that God, because I know him as a provision God, and I pray that the Most High Yah make a way for, somebody that was hungry last night to be able to eat today. So you know what I really, really want to do? I am serious. I have a passion for cooking. And I don't know how to cook a small meal still. Because, I remember I told you I'm number 9. And if I could, because, everything I do it. Me and y'all, we don't argue and fight. Ain't no argument. It's yes, sir. But if I could, I would, like, whatever, I take it and feed the homeless or something. One day the Lord will bless me where I got my own, like, non-profit organization, so I can just cook till I get satisfied. How about that? That'll make me happy. I don't know what it'll do for somebody else, but it'll sure make me happy. Now, so I put that right there. And now we cooking with gas, right? See? And I put a little ring light on there. But I ain't gonna make it too long, but I'm gonna make it long enough. Now I got my coffee and it's on. And my pot got the kitchen smelling good. That brings peace of mind to me. I'm serious. I don't know if it's because when my mother would cook and I would smell that food, that meant get this house cleaned up, get yourself together, because pretty soon, that what you smelling all through this house gonna be on the table. And boy, I couldn't wait. Like, let me at it. Well, I'll be back. I'm gonna show you how to air fry some chicken. Great Awakening family. I'll be back.